So today I'm in Hallworthy, which is not far from Camelford, and it's quite close to Bodmin Moor and also the North Cornwall coast, so really central place. There's Willsey Woods to walk in, so if you've got a dog or kids that need a good run out, then ideal place to just walk around the corner too. There is a pub here as well, so and it's quite a busy spot because there's it's nice and central to everywhere. You can get to the moors and the beaches very quickly. And the property itself is a barn conversion. Each room is very big. There's 2 reception rooms, a large kitchen, and then upstairs you've got 1 bedroom which is en suite, 2 other bedrooms plus a lovely family bathroom, and there's parking on the drive, on the gravel drive, and a lovely garden to the front. So I would have a look at the video and then book a viewing. Take care.